Attention! This important message broadcast on the world screen of the internet calling Aka Morrison, Alison Marie-Alice to contact urgently Mr. Aka Kaku in the great city of New York at 646-512-6191. Reason: since year 2008, she, Aka Morrison, Alison Marie-Alice, have kidnapped 5 children in the great city of New York, the economic capital of the United States of America, and then have disappeared with those 5 children. That's why this important message broadcast on the world screen of the internet calling Aka Morrison, Alison Marie-Alice to contact without delay Mr. Aka Kaku in the great New York metropolitan area at 646-512-6191 via internet Kaku New York at yahoo.com. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.